friends, we are at Moonpreneur today. I have my friend, what's your name?
Aayan.
So I'm here today with Aayan at Moonpreneur. Aayan has been building an idea. Aayan, tell us about your idea.
So my idea is activity tracker. It lets you log activities you've done during the day, and other people in your household can also log activities.
Got it. So like activity like my walking and all steps, or how does it, what is it?
It can be any activity like walking, maybe reading, watching TV.
Oh, so it just like tracks everything that you have been doing in your day, and you can like, how does it help tracking that?
It kind of makes a list so you can check back later on what you've been doing and what other people have been doing.
And in the future, how you gonna save your life with that data, or what are you gonna do?
It's kind of just a preservative.
Yeah, I think like even knowing how much I am watching TV can help in the long run. Like I don't need to be watching that much TV if I'm watching too much, right? Having the data is helpful. So how does your device actually works?
It's a Python application.
How old are you, by the way?
I'm 11.
11-year-old using Python to write and develop an activity tracker. Is that true? Very cool. So tell us about how this Python application works.
So you input your name, the activity, and the time, and it formats it into a table, and it also saves it in a list, which is it's internally saved into a data file. So if you close the application and run it again, the data will still be saved there.
Very cool. So it's you can save all your data, it can track all your activities, and it helps you in a long run manage your health better, right?
Yeah.
What are you trying to achieve here today at Moonpreneur?
I'm trying to find ways to make the world a better place.
Wow, he's looking to make the world a better place. What is your message for the world today?
Help those who you can.
Help those who you can is the message that Aayan has today, and he says, I'm just here to make the world a better place. Thank you for being here. With your presence, you are already making the world a better place. Thank you for being here, Aayan.
Thank you.